Well, hello, Expandacraft fans. This is Wesley with Expandacraft, expandacraft.com. We're out here in my yard, sitting on Black and Tan. That's the 16-foot outrigger kit with a very good announcement. We finally have aluminum decking coming in. This is just a piece. I want to show you the way that this is put together here, so that they nest neatly for shipping, and it also gives it the rigidity. This is 11.5 inches wide. It is 1 3/4 inches thick. That's what gives it the rigidity over the over wood. Like you see here, we have to show you this. I built this one out of wood because, well, I couldn't find the aluminum. I've been out for months and months. I finally got a new supplier who has this in stock, and it will be available. This is going to be the very 1st of August, 2022. And so far, the price has not gone up enough for me to change my prices. It did go up for me, but I'm going to keep my price the same. My plastic parts, not so much. I have some plastic hull parts left still. Sand, black, so you can do black and tan, just like my boat here, who I call Black and Tan. See, kind of neat, huh? And you can also have green and one-sided outrigger in yellow. It may be spoken for. Then I don't know exactly when I'm going to get new parts, but when I do get new parts, they will have a little price increase. Just don't know how much yet. It could be $6 or $8. It could be $15 per section, per actual hull part. Everything else so far is staying about the same price for what I charge, even though everything is going up. Every single nut, bolt, and screw that I use in Expandacraft has gone up in price, and not by just 8%, folks. It's crazy what's going on. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know I do have the aluminum decking in stock. So order away. I should have plenty in real soon. Expandacraft.com. Don't forget to subscribe.